Hello friends, good evening. How are you all? Hope you are doing well and I am also fine. As you know friends, my name is Asali Mato and I have created this channel. Actually I want to learn this language in this year and I have committed this. So that is why I am making video and I am practicing English. Actually I practice English every day, but I am making video and I upload my video on my channel. So friends, if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends, okay, who wants to learn spoken English like me. Actually I am practicing English here and I am in the field, and you can see there are some boys, they are playing football there. And okay, actually I don't want to play football now. I am practicing English and I practice English every day in this time, and I make video. I try to make video in this time. And actually I was very busy uh, today. I have some work, okay, even. And but I want to practice English. That is why I am practicing and I am speaking and I am making video. So friends, you can practice English like me, okay. If you want to learn spoken English, you can practice English like me. And actually I will tell you how you will learn spoken English. It is very easy, okay, it is not very tough. You can learn, if you want to learn this language, so you can learn very easily. But at first you have to love this journey, okay. If you feel boring or if you feel like tough, so it will be tough for you, it will be difficult for you. But if you feel easy, then it will be easy. This journey will be easy for you, okay. So I will tell you how I am learning this language, actually I will tell you some process, okay. So friends, I learn this language by watching movies, watching cartoons, okay. Actually I listen very much, okay. So there are four pillars to learn this language. There are four pillars, okay. There are four pillars. So these are reading, listening, writing, speaking. Listening, speaking, reading, writing. Reading, writing, listening, speaking, okay. So you have to read, you have to listen, you have to speak, you have to write. But I will tell you at first, listen more and more. Even I uh, listen very much. I listen English contents, I listen English videos, okay. Whatever you can find, just try to listen anything, any topics. Very first time you will feel bored, or you can't understand anything. But after that you will understand everything, okay. But at first be patient and try to listen, okay. Just try to listen uh, podcast, or you can watch movies, or you can watch English cartoons, okay. English cartoons, so it will be good for you. And we know many things in English, okay. And we use English every day, okay. Like we say school, college, these are English. Bus, truck, cycle, bike, mobile, these are all English, okay. These are English, not Hindi or Bengali, okay. But we don't know how to make a sentence, or we don't express in a sentence. That is why we can't speak. But it is easy, just try to make a sentence, okay. Like mobile, I use mobile, okay. I use mobile for watching movies, I use mobile for uh, uh, playing game, okay. You can talk, you can practice, okay. So friends, this is one rule, you can listen more and more. And another thing, you can read. Okay, so if you read more and more, your vocabs will be increased. Okay, you will know more vocabs, then you will speak better. Okay, so you can read more and more, you can read books more and more. And if you watch anything, if you listen first time any new words, just try to note down on your notebook and try to mug up. Okay, and try to use in your daily life this or that or those sentences. Okay, so friends, you can do like this. Okay, you can practice like this and you can learn like this. And one thing, uh, actually it is not our mother tongue. Okay, so you will face some problem also, so that time you can watch or you can read, you can learn some grammar rules also, like you can learn at first tense, then voices. Okay, at first you can learn some words meaning, like first you can learn verbs. Okay, like do, go, come. Okay, sit, stand up, sit down. Okay, so you can learn some verbs. Okay, and after that you can learn tense and you can learn voices. Okay, and there are many things you can learn after that, but at first learn verbs, then tenses, then modals, then voices. Okay, but you have to listen more and more. Okay, according to me, listening is the main part. When we were very child, very little child, that time we can't understand anything. Okay, that time our parents, our relatives used to speak in their native language like Hindi or Bengali. So so we learned Hindi, Bengali very easily. Okay, so if you listen more and more English also, so you will learn English easily. So friends, this is the first thing. Listen more and more, then read. If you can, then read. Even I don't read so much. Okay, I don't read so much things, but I try to listen more and more. And after that you can try to speak. Okay, try to speak, just try to speak wrong at first. Okay, don't think at first I'll be good and I will learn everything, then I will try to speak. No, just try to speak. Just try to express your thoughts in English. Okay, like me, just record your video or in front of your mobile or in front of mirror. Try to speak. Okay, just speak with yourself. Okay, just speak, and I think it will be good for you, because no one can watch your, no one can watch you, and you will be confident that time. If you uh, practice with yourself, that time you will be confident. And after that, after getting confidence, you can talk with any partners. Okay, there are many applications, free applications you can download from Play Store, and you can talk with them. Okay, like Peer Up, Talk Now. There are some free applications. It has also paid version, but you can talk half an hour free, no problem. So friends, even I used to talk with people on Talk Now and Peer Up. So friends, and another thing, it is writing. Okay, you can write your daily routine, whatever you can uh, do, write. Okay, write anything before going to bed, you can write what did you do in a day. Just try to write. Wrong, you do many mistakes. Okay, you will do many mistakes. Even I am speaking wrong, not everything I am not speaking correctly. Okay, I am speaking wrong. Okay, so it is happening. Okay, actually I am learning this language. Actually I know many things. Okay, I know many things, many grammatical rules, but while speaking everyone do mistakes because we don't express, we don't speak more and more. That is why we do this type of mistake. Okay, so if you speak more and more, then your mistakes will be decreased. Okay, and if you don't speak but if you learn, then your mistakes will be okay. Your you will do mistakes. Okay, but if you speak, okay, if you record your video and after recording your video you watch, okay, and you will find some mistakes and you correct your mistakes. Okay, then you will speak good. Okay, so friends, even I do this type of things, and you can do shadowing also. Like if you watch any video or anything, okay, you can watch, and if you watch any video, just what they say, like I am going, try to say I am going. They will say I want it, you say I want it, I won't go. Okay, just try to shadowing means just try to mimic them. Okay, whatever they say, just try to mimic them and try to say. Okay, just pause the video and try to speak that sentence. Okay, and friends, it is getting dark. Okay, and I am going home. Shadowing practice is one of the best practice to learn spoken English. Who don't know anything, who doesn't know anything, it will be good for him. Okay, and we knew our we have known our native language in this way from our parents, from our neighbors, okay, from our society. So friends, I don't want to make my video longer, but I want to say just 4 things: reading, writing, listening and speaking. You have to listen, you have to write, you have to read, you have to speak. You have to read, you have to write, you have to listen, and you have to speak. But main thing is listening. Okay, and second thing is speaking. Okay, if you want to become a good speaker, then you have to become a good listener. If you don't be a good listener, you can't become a good speaker. Okay, and if you want to become a good writer, you have to become a good reader. If you read more and more, then you will be good writer. Okay, and if you listen more and more, if you become a good listener, then you can become a good speaker. Okay, so friends, it's enough today. Take care, bye. I will meet another day. I will meet tomorrow. Okay, so friends, bye bye, tata.